Well, here is the EGR cooler setup with the EGR valve on it for the CT200. I spent the better part of the last 2 hours or so, or more maybe, between breaking it down, putting it back together, and cleaning it as separate pieces. I've spent, and with this machine, this is a sonic cleaner, and I put it inside this container so the sonic cleaner doesn't get damaged. This is actually a large container sitting inside the sonic cleaner, and as this water heats up, it heats up the material in here, which is a combination of industrial simple green and purple cleaner. It has cleaned, as you can see inside there, it has cleaned all that carbon out from this. So I cleaned this out, and I had to flip it both sides, and I took it off here, and I took it off here. I cleaned the valve, cleaned the pipe, and cleaned the cooler separately. I'm having to flip this over to, while this container is huge, it's still not big enough to clean it all in one sitting, because I had it standing up. I did order another piece to possibly clean it again. That will fit in here, and I can lay it down. We'll see if we're going to do that though. But this did clean it really well. There's some drips and stuff, but the inside of it is very clean. That's just to make sure that this doesn't happen again. I'm a little worried that the back pressure of the EGR could have helped deteriorate the gasket at a higher rate. Aside from, there's a possibility, even though it's not super high miles on the coolant, but I am worried about that. It could have been a combination of both that ate away the gasket, and in the other video you'll see the gasket where it ate away on both sides of cylinder 1. But yes, that's how we cleaned it. This is to me the easiest way and best way to clean it. You have temperature, because you can control your temperature here, and then you have the sonic vibration, which loosens the debris. And I use this for a lot of things, carburetors, anything. And that's one reason why I don't use the water. I found this on a video. I used to fill this with simple green industrial, and just dump it in there with the component. But this helps keep it cleaner and keeps it. I blew one of these sonic cleaners up. I don't know if it was age, contaminants, whatnot. Anyways, I found this to be a much more efficient and better way. I use different size containers inside there, and like I said, I just ordered another one. Anyways, if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you. Talk to you soon. It's Turbo Dave from TD Performance.